Happy Friday, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I am right outside of my CVS to share with you guys the deals starting the 9th of June through the 15th of June. So let's go ahead and hop into it. There are some great deals. I will have a breakdown for you guys in the description box, so definitely go and follow there if you want some more of a visual guide when you're going in store. So let's just head up CVS. All right, you guys, so my first deal is going to be on Bliss skincare. So it is on a buy 30 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. So one, I've already started using a cleanser from them. It's like a deep pore cleanser, but I found this. It's the Bliss Watermelon Reviving De-Stressing Overnight Mask. So I'm curious to see if this is a dupe for the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. So this is priced for $15, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and try a, oh, this looks good. Drench and Quench. No. I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna try two different masks because I love face masks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up two. The deal I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up two of the face masks. So they are $15 each, so you'll pay $30 straight, and then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making them 20 for both of them, or 10 bucks each. So I'm gonna put this to the test and let you guys know if I think that this is a dupe for the Glow Recipe, and if it is, this is gonna be so exciting, you guys. And they have other stuff in the line too. So they have some foot cream right here. It's the Aloe Leaf and Peppermint Foot Cream. This is priced for $10. They have some body butters priced for $12. There's tons here, you guys. There's some body wash for $10 as well, lemon sage body wash. They have some hydrating eye gel right here for $22. They have a lot of stuff here. They have some lip polish. I am like really gonna dive into this line. They have some sheet masks for $5. So this is a really cool new brand that I'm excited to dive into. So hopefully this is a good dupe for Glow Recipe and some of the other facial care brands on the market. Okay guys, so Physicians Formula is on a spend 10, get $7 back in extra care bucks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out one of the Physicians Formula butter lipsticks. So these are priced for $9.99. So I'm gonna pick up one of those, and then in my value pack I have a 4 off 1 coupon right here. So I'm gonna pay $5.99, and then I'm gonna get a $7 extra care buck, making it what, like $1 and something cent moneymaker. So if you have that value pack, this is gonna be a moneymaker. So hopefully you check your value packs and don't just toss them into the junk pile. So moneymaker Physicians Formula if you have the value pack, but even if you don't, you can pay $9.99, get the $7 extra care buck, making it $2.99. So not a bad deal, $2.99 for a lipstick. Neutrogena is on a spend 30 and get $10 back in extra care bucks. So if you have a 4 off 1 facial care CRT, definitely use it here. But I'm gonna leave a link below to the video that I stumbled upon. Her channel name is Dr. Dre, and she is a dermatologist, and she came inside CVS and kind of went through everything that she would suggest from a dermatologist point of view. So last week I was asking you guys advice on the L'Oreal line, and she said no, don't get the L'Oreal. So obviously that's just one person's recommendation, but she highly suggests the Hydro Boost moisturizer from Neutrogena. So if you're in the market for something hydrating in terms of a moisturizer, definitely check that out. So it's spend 30 and get 10, so you can mix and match. You can get some facial care wipes and then get a moisturizer. Just mix and match whatever you would like. But something that she mentioned when it comes to skincare is to avoid things with fragrances in it, and if you need to have something with at least 30 SPF in it to help your skin. And she also said that it's very gimmicky when you see things that say tested by dermatologists or dermatologist recommended, because like she said in her video, you know, dermatologists don't just sit in labs and test products all day. So she said anytime you see that on a box, most of the time it's gimmicky. But as you can see right here, the Hydro Boost right here says it's fragrance free. So I've actually tried the Hydro Boost and I actually really enjoy it as well. She also mentioned that anti-aging is gimmicky too, because you can't reverse aging. Aging just happens. It's just, you know, how things are. Like, eventually you're gonna age, but she said that a way that you can kind of help like ease aging is, one, use SPF. So if you don't have anything with SPF in it in your moisturizer, then definitely hit up Neutrogena. They have some lotions as well. They have an oil-free moisturizer right here with a 35 SPF, so this would be a great item to go ahead and pick up. It is priced for $14.49, so not a bad deal. So I'm definitely going to leave her channel in the video linked below, because she raves about the Neutrogena line, so it might be worth giving a look to see some of the other brands that she recommends. So we have a nice little deal on Hershey's Kisses as well as the Reese's peanut butter cups. They're priced 2 for $6, and everyone's going to get a 2 off 2 CRT that prints from the red machine starting on Sunday, so it makes them 2 for $4 or $2 each. So regular price on here is $4.99, so getting them $2 a bag is a pretty good deal. So when I'm filming this video, it is actually June 6th, and the current sale cycle is buy one get one 50%. Last week I told you guys to never buy CVS brand batteries until they are buy one get one free. So starting on the 9th, they are buy one get one free. So like I said last week, never settle for anything less than buy one get one free. Hey you guys, so we have a decent deal on cereal this week. So General Mills cereals, select General Mills, they are priced for $1.99 each. So we're gonna do some quick math together. So what you want to do is buy 3 for $5.57. So we have a $1 off 3 printable coupons. So you'll pay $4.97 for all 3 of them. So I think that's a pretty good deal. It makes them like $1.33 each, something like that. So pretty good deal, especially since the regular price is $4.49. So getting them for about $1.33 each is a great deal. Alright you guys, so your Jif peanut butter is on sale 2 for $5, but makes them $2.50 each. But fun fact, Target has an everyday price of $2.22. So if you have a Walmart, maybe consider picking up your peanut butter from Walmart, because it's a better price there. But if you don't have a Walmart and you have extra care bucks, a 2 for $5 price is not a bad deal. Too bad CVS doesn't price match. That would be great if they price matched. Alright you guys, so we have another gift card promo. When you spend $50 or more in select gift cards, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So this will be a great option for dad for Father's Day. Hey guys, so we have a nice little household deal going on at CVS. So when you spend $30 or more, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So some of the things that are included is the Scotch toilet paper. So the Scotch toilet paper, this is the 12 roll, so it's the 9 to 18 roll, so it is on sale for $7.99, and we have a 50-cent off coupon from our Smart Source of $5.19, and then also the 6-pack of Scotch paper towels is also on sale for $5.49, and Persil laundry detergent is priced for $5.94. So I will have a little breakdown for you guys in the blog post for you guys to go ahead and check it out. You can go ahead and use those 50-cent off 1 coupons. I would definitely urge you guys to wait until we have at least $1 off when it comes to Scotch. And yeah, I would wait for $1 off when it comes to Scotch because we've seen them before. And also the Persil $2 off 1 coupon, it does expire on Sunday, so you would have to come in here on Sunday to get that Persil deal into the spend 30 get 10. So you guys, these are all the deals I have to share with you guys this week here at CVS. So definitely go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are still enjoying my CVS in-store deals, leave a comment below just letting me know like how your summer is starting off. Let me know if you're going on any trips. I love interacting with you guys, so drop a comment below and I would love to chat with you guys. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.